Hello, I'm gonna be testing out every single money method, every single money making method in Animal Company, and seeing which one is better to get money. I'm gonna get from how long it is, how scary it is, and how much money it gives. Okay, so first, I'm gonna get my mains, grappling hook, flashlight. Now, I'm gonna go to sewers. Okay, we're over here. You read that green light? More bombs? This has so much bombs. Okay, we're at the goofy parkour stage. It's kind of hard if you don't have a long arm or a grappling hook. Woo! Also, they took away the free grappling. Not free, but like you didn't have to unlock it. Okay, I'm over at this stage. Oh my god, I almost died. Got the flashlight on. Because Toasty's girlfriend does not like it. Okay. Yeah, it's too dark. Wait, it's right here, it's right here. Okay. The foundation. This is actually a cool spot. Like, honestly, it looks really cool. Oh, and the lady wants me. Sorry, Toasty. She wants me more. Oh my god! I thought I was gonna die. Okay, so we're at the foundation and we're gonna mine. And for the rules to make what the heck? And the rules to make this even is to get all the ones that are mined, like every single ore and mine that I have to pick up. I'm gonna be keeping this because it's gonna be helpful for when I go into the stage where the teleporter, because there's a whole bunch of anglerfishes and ogres. Okay, now it's zero gravity. Over here, no zero gravity. Look, see? No zero gravity. Zero gravity. Okay. Alright. Oh my god. Ow. Alright, get up here. Okay, roll. I have to pick up the ones that I... Oh, okay, there's a lot of them. What should I find my pickaxe? I'm gonna spare my flashlight. Because I need my pickaxe for this. So I'm gonna get the biggest first. How am I gonna get that one? Hold on. Did I just shoot it? Did I just like shoot it? Well, that was a complete waste of bullets. That was a waste and I didn't even kill the monster. Okay. Grab these. Here. I do not want to hit that tentacle. For some reason, the zero G is pulling me up. Okay. I'm not going for that one. It's too dangerous. Oh, this one's good. big boys. Oh, the big boys. Oh, another big one. And then a medium boy. I tested out this money-making method a while ago. Pretty successful. Oh no. Gonna go up. Pick these up. Oh, and my bag is full. I've gotta get to the end of this place. Wait, come on, let's see if I see any of it. Yeah, that was the nut. Or research. Once. Ooh. W boxing on video. Oh my god. Okay, so add this to the loot pile too. This is considered loot, by the way. Everything is considered loot. So this is loot, a lot of these. Research. Oh my god. And the stuff you can get from here. Okay, now we're at the scariest part, which is surviving this. There's so many monsters here. Oh, we made it. Oh, now let's go cash this out. Okay, so now. Come on, man. Ugh. Come on. No. Need that. Okay, I'm just gonna go up here. All of it. Okay. Now, the moment we have been waiting for. Oh, move! Moment we have all been waiting for. $13,338 along with this hover pad. Because it comes from the foundation, it comes with this little uranium. Whoa. I will be putting this in my stash. It's kind of expensive. Second money making method. Mines. Let's go! Okay. I'm gonna go for... you can't use any of the lava crystals that go down here. It's only gonna be like... But yeah, the lava crystals over there, I'm not gonna... It's gonna be like regular ore. Alright, let's see what we have. Okay, so we have... I'm gonna get all the golds. Ooh, and a big gold. Pick this up. Okay. Getting a little bit heavy. Oh my, that's a lot. And it didn't really even give us that much. Yeah, this flashlight is kind of getting work. I got this. What? Don't run off the gold. I am a gold miner. Okay, I'm not going near that. Too spooky. Not spooky, I mean. Oh my god. Okay, that is adding a lot more to the scary meter. No. Over here. Let's go. Oh my god, my game's lagged like crazy. It's got iron. In the stash, the iron looks like gold. In the stash, like the 3D model. Oh, ow, it's in my hand. It's in my hand on the chair. Make it. Oh, spider boy. Spider boy. I don't want to alert spider boy. I'm too heavy. I have too too much valuables. Not going over. Going over here. This place. Oh my goodness. This place is ugly. Pick up all this gold. I'm just gonna put my bag right here and place up the gold. And 2 gold nuggets. I'm hitting my hand on the chair. Whoa, 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 what is happening? Not back on the scroll. No, I still have a little bit. I gotta go get those gold nuggets. I am getting pretty heavy. And no gold. This part is a bust. Oh, he was just waiting for me. He didn't even see me. Oop. Okay, the last bit of golden iron. Come on, the gold first. Oh, it's gonna take out this one. Okay, looks like I've reached the limit. How much gold I can store. Okay, this is spooking me out. I'm just gonna blow that up. I don't know why I put it there. Oh, holy miss. Okay, that's just unfair. That's really just super unfair. Please, 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 please. No. No, I'm definitely. Okay, that was way too close. Especially that first one. How am I gonna get over it? It's so dark. Let's see if we're doing. That's fine. Ouch. Oh, come on. Aim myself right here. Grab this. Okay. Okay. That took some work and a kind of a long time. Like, I don't know, like 10 minutes. Gold, iron, gold, iron. Okay. Bag's full. Okay. See. Okay, I give that a 3 on the money method, a 10 out of 10 for scariness, and a 9 out of 10 for length of time needed. All of that time and a literal life just for $2,000. I'm sad. Our next method, rain coral. Oh, I don't know why I went back to this weird. Okay. I got this. I got this toad tip. Oh, from Toad. Oh, yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, I got it from Toad. It was one of his toe tips. Yeah. Whoa. 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 Ooh. Whoa. So spooky. Whoa. Whoa. It's not very spooky. You thought there was gonna be a monster, wasn't you? Nope. And my pickaxe! I forgot I had you. I was about to cut out this part and go back and... Oh, and the map has changed. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm gonna just follow this guy. Nah, it's too spooky. Nah, I'm already tipping, bro. Move! Oh, bro. Please? Go. Go, go. Move, move. Get out of here. My guy ain't moving. So I just rushed. I hear it. No, no. Gotta be. Out. Peace out. Oh, I made it. Ow! Okay. We're at the pipes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. We're at the sewers mouth. Not the sewers, but... I don't know. Okay. Now we're at the slimy stage. What the heck? Why does it look like that? So it's like pitch black. Okay. Oh, they changed this too. And this is very spooky because we have Mr. Mans over here. He likes killing people and causing mayhem. He likes eating them and and putting their limbs onto their limbs because he doesn't have any limbs. Because he's so jealous anytime he sees one. Sees a monkey with their limbs. He eats them and puts it on his body. So much, he's so jealous. That's why you don't want it. That's why you don't want to. Oh, that's all. That's why you don't want to make him angry. Because he will tear you limb from limb. Because he wants all the limbs. Oh, come on. Not like this. Okay. We have made it. Also, why is there just a random sister? I just saw that. Okay. It's not safe. It's not safe. The cysts are regenerating their tentacles, and I almost ran directly into him while I was regenerating. So I'm just gonna go over here. See? Okay. Okay, yeah, it's good. Put this on. No. Okay, it's gone forever. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, that's nice. They give you health? Oh, they do. I just saw the heart-like things. Like, you get one if you, like, use a ukulele. Okay, bro. They're making me do all this stuff just to get 2 crystals. Making me do... Oh, now we're talking. I'm just gonna go in here. Do not want to touch that. Okay. No. Oh! I did a little oopsie, so yeah, I gotta rethink that one. Who thought I would not come back and retrieve my stuff and get the shield? But I did, and have all my loot back too. And I have a shield, because I'm not afraid of you. Look at this now. Oh, deliciously malicious. Okay. Look, I can just get rid of this. Oh, and not even that much damage though. Confident. You're scared this guy's gonna regenerate. Wait, no, I'm not scared. I am afraid for him because he does not want to see what happens. No, I gotta grow my shield. My shield has too much sentimental value. Okay. Oh, we have hit the jackpot, boys. Okay, grab them. Grab all of them. Okay, we have done it. We have all the supplies we need to get out of here. This place is disgusting. Okay. I'm sorry, Shield. Actually, no, I'm not sorry. Because I'm not gonna leave you behind. I'm gonna put you in my stash, so faithful Shield. Ouch! Oh! I thought none of this stung you. Okay. When did I get an umbrella? Huh? No, honestly. When did I... Okay, it's weird. Just get out of here. Like bro, you just spawned in. Let's see. Oh, 4,000. Not bad. Not bad. We still have one more. Wait. We have like, I don't know. Let me think. Yeah, we only have one more. The Nether. The underworld. So now let's go to the underworld. Woo! Ah, so spooky. Okay, we're back at this disgusting spawn. Where's the... Oh, it's gotta be here. There's wood planks. Literally. Is it over here? Oh, I think we're getting closer. There's more wood planks. There's just like... What's up, bro? Oh, nah! I think it's this way. Nope. Here? Yo, bro. Oh, no, that is not me. Dead end. Other dead end. Stop getting that mad at me, bro. This is planetarium, so it's gotta be the other way. Right? Gotta be the other way. Oh my god, why do they both hate me? Oh! Is this it? Is it in here? I have a faint memory of the Valentine, but it's in here. Like, down here? Nope. Then it's in like this, like valve, or like bunker. Oh, more danger signs. No. They even have energy quartz. And now we are here. Oh. Also, I hate this part because I haven't been here in a while. And also, how long just to get down here? Like, it takes like 5 drops. Like, it's all they're doing. Drops, drops, and drops, and drops. What the heck? I can finish that. Finish to that. That's all sucks. Rapper. When you talk. Is that our greatest? I don't know, but I have in the game. If club lemons subject ranking, it's a simulation collapse. It probably means we're all in a simulation. And this means like we're having into the mainframe of animal company. I remember being here and another job. Oh my god. So many jobs going. Go, 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 go. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just want to see this. Nah. Oh. Oh. Now we have spawned in the Eye of Sauron's, whatever it's called. Mr. Eye of Sauron is not going to be happy. Oh, I forgot that was metal. That would have been so clean. I forgot how crazy these look. Okay. This is kind of hard. Oh, come on, bro. Oh my god, what the heck? What is the power on this thing? What? Wait. Okay. Too easy. This game is too easy. Actually, it's really hard. Okay. That's our goal. We want to get to that reactor thing. That has a whole lot of things on it. Woo! 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 Yeah. See, it has a whole lot of ores. Come on, man. Why do they all fly away? So it's like they don't want to be. It's like they don't want to die. It's kind of sad. What do you mean scared? Oh! Or no, not this guy. Not this guy, dude. Not both of them. Not both of them is crazy. Okay. Come on, bro. Just leave me alone, bro. Hey, bro, I didn't want to do anything. I'm gonna place this right here. Wait for them to come. I'm gonna be up here, trying to avoid them. I'm gonna be like sitting right here. This is my little bunkie. My little bunker. Okay, they're all dead. Too easy. Ugh. Oh, come on, man. I gotta get out of here. Oh, come on, bro. Now they're shooting my dead body? Like, bro. Oh, this video's way too long. Mr. Ring and Yang. Okay. Oh, it took so many tries because like all of them are scattered around. But I finally made it, and my bag is full. And none of them are filled with umbrellas. And I'm really, really heavy, so I am hopeful that this gives me lots of moolah. Oh, come on. No. Don't. Yeah, yes. Alright, let's go sell this. Ring. Boop. Ugh. Okay. Okay, let's see this. We'll see this. Oh my god! 50,000? I mean, 15,000. I will give that. Okay, now I'm gonna rate all of them. Okay. Wait, I have one more. Okay, I just found this out, but if you do this, it is so good. Yeah. Nerd. Oh. I saw one. Okay. This is the most annoying part. But whenever I usually go here for some money, I usually only get the blue ones. But since I'm doing this for beginners and the best money making method, gotta control that variable and get like the ones that I see. Oh, come on, bro. Come on. Can I? No, you can't cling onto that either. You can cling onto this though, which is weird. Okay. Wait. I hate this map. I mean, ever since you, like, once you couldn't, like, grapple onto metal, I just stopped coming here for the money. Whoop, whoop. It's, like, kind of annoying. Like sometimes whenever you're mining, you try to get away and jump from it, and you fall all the way down here. And you have nothing left. So whenever I go here, I usually bring an MRE. Okay. I was so hyped for this update. I was so pumped. But then they nerfed the grappler to the ground, which is low-key the most annoying thing in the world. I'm just trying to focus on my health because it's not doing so great. And all my blue ones. I remember when this was the most valuable currency, and then people would trade. Would just trade these. Like, I'll give you this shotgun. Oh, I remember when shotguns were like the most valuable item in the game. People were all like, I'll give you this shotgun filled to the brim with ammo and this crossbow with a whole bunch of those little grenades for that bag full of corrupted coral. Whatever it's called. Like, oh, it's called upside down loot. Just gotta. toilet. Okay. Now it's gotta get up there. Come on, man. Come on, don't do me like this. Don't do me like this, bro. Get up here. Okay. Why is it just up? Connect. Ow. Ow. It's zapping me now. I've gone to the stage. We got to blues, 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 clues. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. I just cut to the video. It like took me so long. It's every time I would fall down, just for some reason my grappler wouldn't work. Also, I love this feature with this grappling hook and the hip slot. Oh, that's all the stuff I can get, I think. Let's try it out. Yeah, yep, that's all I could get. I don't care. I'm just gonna swim to it. Actually, I kind of do care. The worst thing that I hate is that, like, sometimes you drop your bag there, and then, like, you can't get it back. So then you waste, like, 20 minutes of you trying to retrieve your bag when you, in that 20 minutes, you could have made, like, 30 more K. Like 5,000 for the upgrades. Tech tree. Okay, stop yapping, and let's see how much this sells for. Got a different array of reds and blues. None of them. Let's see. Heck. Not half bad. Okay. Now we're gonna go to the rating station. Okay, I'm gonna be rating all of these. This one represents the mines. This one represents the foundation, sewers. This represents the lake with the Branko. This represents the nether. And this represents the haunted mansion. So first, let's get this out of the way. So Buns only gives you 2,000. It's super long. It's honestly so long to actually get to the mines and actually like get everything, and there's a whole bunch of monsters. Foundation. It is really good. I would top it as like the B tier. Brain matter. I'll do the brain matter at A tier. The brain, like this one, Haunted Mansion, C tier, and the Nether ass W tier, S tier. Because this one gave me like lots of money, so this is all it. And the stinky drill is now at the bottom at F tier. So yeah, the Nether is one of the best money making methods. Alright,